Yeah, so my tips usually with form, I will verbally say it as well as myself doing the move. So, for example, if I am doing a squat, I will verbally give all of the cues of, push your hips backwards. You're, not, try not to push your knees forward. Imagine you're hovering over an imaginary chair behind you. Chest is tall, while also showing that move. If you see somebody doing the move incorrectly, you can move around the room and try to be somewhat discreet about it. I usually tend to shy away from personally calling somebody out in the middle of class, mainly just because we don't want somebody to feel embarrassed or called out and not come back to our class. We want them to always feel welcome and feel like that they can, be successful with their goals. And then, usually one-on-one towards the end of a class, sometimes I may ask someone, say, I noticed that you might maybe need some help with some of the form. Do you mind if we work one-on-one together of seeing if we can work with your squat or your deadlift or whatever the move might be?